How to use the ing form of verbs in English. Number 1. Use the ing form in continuous tenses when an action is in progress. For example, present continuous. I'm watching TV at the moment. Present perfect continuous. He's been working here since 1995. Past continuous. You were sleeping when I got home last night. Future continuous. Tomorrow afternoon I'll be taking my friend to the airport. Use the ing form when the verb is the subject of the sentence. For example, skiing is my favorite sport. Eating vegetables is good for you. Living in an English-speaking country helps you improve faster. Use the ing form after prepositions. I improved my English by practicing every day. We left the party after saying goodbye to everyone. I can't believe he passed the test without studying at all. Finally, use the ing form after specific verbs. Admit. He admitted stealing the money. Avoid. You should avoid eating after 11 p.m. Consider. Have you considered buying a car? Enjoy. I enjoy playing tennis. Can't stand. I can't stand waiting in line. Don't mind. I don't mind working overtime. Look forward to. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Keep, when keep means continue. My ex-boyfriend keeps calling me. Practice. I need to practice writing in English. Spend time. He spent 3 hours fixing the car. Stop. I stopped smoking 10 years ago. Suggest or recommend. I suggest taking a vacation.